How to fix Invite Collaborator option not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can fix the Invite Collaborator option not showing. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you have an Instagram account. You try to post something over here. You just choose a random photo or video. You tap the next option. And if you want to invite someone as a collaborator, you would normally just need to tap on tag people, and here you will find this option known as Invite Collaborator. But let's say that you are not being able to find this option, then what are some of the things that you can do? The very first thing that you basically want to do is you simply want to make sure to come back over here. Once you just come back, you want to just come to the profile page as you would be able to find it. Then just tap the three lines option, then go to this option called settings and privacy. You want to first of all make sure that you have a professional account, because if you have a personal or private account, first of all switch to personal and then after that switch to professional. Once you switch to professional, the most likely the option will be enabled. Now in case you're already on professional account, it's still not showing. In that case, just go to this private account option and then just go ahead and turn on personal account. Once you select personal account, again switch back to your professional account, and that is also going to help you solve your problem as well. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.